everyone, and today this is part 2 of the Underground Warfare. So we're gonna be loading back into that, and hopefully it doesn't act up because I think it acts up on web Roblox something. But we're just gonna try it again. I think it was because of the severe storm, because I had a severe storm hit my area, but. We're gonna be loading back into it, and what's this? The links. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna have like scheduled because our next games that the next day the next games that I'm gonna be playing, I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. So right now I'm just gonna I'm already open into the freaking Roblox thing. The Underground War, and where is the freaking thing at? Oh, there it is. Alright, so the Underground War, so I'm loaded into that. I'll probably show you guys that at the end. So, and what the heck in here, you guys? What the heck? So I have the flag to myself, you guys. Look at this. Nobody's in here. What the heck? What the heck? This is so crazy. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna try to load back in, like, to a different server. I need to get out of it. So, yeah. So I'm gonna try a different server. Maybe is there someone online? Let me see. 12 active, but where are the players? All right. So I'm just gonna try the next Roblox because it gets you into there faster. But I'm just gonna try to. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys what's next schedule. So so what's next schedule is Hold the Flag Roblox. So this is what is scheduled. Hold the Flag. So the next game is Hold the Flag. So as you guys can see, Hold the Flag. So that's the next game that we're gonna be playing probably the next day or probably like and then this is all the games that we're gonna be playing scheduled. But let's see the next Roblox that we play. Probably it probably won't like the so yeah, hopefully this Roblox has like many active like the next one, like it was like it was empty, you guys. Like what the heck? Why is I think it is empty. I think that's how it is. But if it's empty, we'll try to like join like a server, like a random server, and we're gonna see if many are not active. If many are active in the game. So yeah, so let's see. What is Wreck It? Alright, so here it is, the Underground War Pro. So we're just gonna click on that. Hold on. Let's see how much is active. I don't even know how much is active. And here's the links. You have to go to Roblox web something like right there. You have to click on that. Um and yeah, so we're gonna try to load back in and see what happens. So hopefully we got some freaking people in it. So anyways, so let's move back into the Underground War Pro. I don't even know where it is actually. Alright. So waiting for an available server, and there already is. That was quick. Alright, oh, we got one. Okay, we got one. Yep, we got one. I think I wanna yep, he left. So I think I wanna play like a full server because we couldn't like find like another one because this is so stupid. So because everybody left and everything. So yeah, I don't think nobody's even playing the Underground War right now. Let's see. Yep. All right. So we're gonna join this one because this is in my friends playlist. But we're gonna try to join and see what this actually is. So yeah, this one has like 11 out of 22 people as the max, but we're just gonna freaking join it. All right, so all right, so let's so this is 11 of 22 people max. And hopefully this is a great one actually, because it's like 11 people. So this should be good actually. Like you know, if you haven't created a wait, is there plus six? Yep, like one, two, three, four. Like one, two, three, four, five, and then plus six. So there's 11 players in this game. So anyways, we're gonna wait till this loads, and it's probably not gonna load. I don't even know where it is. All right, there it is. All right, I can hear it right now. All right. I want to see where it is. I don't even know where it is, you guys. Where is it? I don't see the game. What the heck? I hear a noise, but I don't see the game. What the heck? Oh, there it is. All right. Yup. One, two, three, four. So we got four people in this game. Oh, I didn't know this guy will come out like that. What the heck? All right. Oh yeah, it's the guy. It's our friend, the guy. All right. Oh, a lot of people's actually joining the server. What the heck? All right. So, yeah, we can't kill like. Yo, who's sneaking back there? Who is sneaking back? Oh! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh no! What do I do, you guys? What do I do? What do I do? No! What do I do, you guys? What the heck? What do I do? It's like a red. It's like a red versus like something, and yup, just got yeah, I just got crashed right now. You know that, guys. Like I'm trying like the regular Roblox game. Wait, yup, just got crashed. This is no way. All right. So is there any way how we could join or something? Cause I keep getting crashed in the Roblox.com, which is pretty good. I mean, pretty weird. But uh, let's see. So it's in circle mode. I don't even know. This is the Roblox icon. Something. I don't even know what the heck that is. All right. What the heck? Why did they make it gold like the old one? I don't even know, you guys. All right. So let's see if we could try it. And this is so slow, you guys. I don't even know how to get back in. Let's try try to load back in. It should work. Like, all right, starting Roblox. So we're in the starting page, and this should work. So yeah, cause it worked the freaking last time. Like, why is it not working this time? What the heck? All right. So hopefully I don't get crashed. Cause the last one we didn't get crashed. Like this was so weird. This is like wasting time right now. All right. So what is time? So if you guys heard of like this app, I usually do this app, but you know, but anyway. So yeah, I don't even know. Oh, there it is. There it is. Now we're in there. Okay. Okay. Where is it? Where is this? Where is the wait? Where is all of it? Where is all of it? All right, let's try to load back in. All right, and let's see. Let's see. Servers. Let's go to servers. How do we go to servers? It like won't let. Oh, there it is. All right. So here it is. We're going in servers. Hopefully we be in like the same server. I don't even know if we're gonna be in the same server. And there it is. All right. Oh, this guy lost some people. Oh my gosh, this guy lost some people in this game. What the heck? All right. So let's see what's actually happening. What the? No, this guy didn't. He didn't lost no people. And why is the freaking sky like fire-ish? Like, why is it fire? Like, what the heck? Alright. Oh, who's that guy? Who was that? Oh! Oh! Oh, shoot! No! Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot. Alright. Whoa, what is with the flag? Oh! Oh, no! Oh, no. This girl is strong, you guys. She could, like, hurt somebody so bad. Like, what the heck? Alright. Alright, I'll try to get past this, you guys. But let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm turning out my brightness right now. Alright. Alright, so it says cat has captured your flag. Oh no, they didn't. They better not. They better not capture my flag. What do they mean by that? What do we? What the fuck? Why am I freaking getting crashed again? What the heck? Guys, why am I freaking getting crashed? Like, what the heck? And he has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people. It was like 5 people, and now he has 6 people. What the heck? Alright. Oh, I just got crashed. I know. So yeah, I just got freaking crashed. I don't even know why I'm freaking getting crashed. Alright. So let's see if we can load back in. Why am I freaking getting crashed right now? Alright. Alright.